How's it going, guys? This week I actually dropped 3 tutorials back to back to back. And today I'm actually dropping something else. I'm dropping my 3 newest effects packs that you can actually get right now for 58% off. And lastly, I'm really sorry that it took a full 8 months between this effects pack drop and my last drop. We've actually been really busy, literally converting all of our other effects packs that we have on the website to make them After Effects compatible. And it's taken up actually quite a lot of time. And if you want to get all these packs that are After Effects compatible now, you can actually get them in the link below. So going back now to the 3 new packs that we just made that are now available today. The first pack, and the pack that has the most impact on my work currently as a freelancer and a content creator, it's something called Easy Short Form for After Effects. It basically solves the problem of being able to quickly make reaction videos for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. The best B-roll in a music video is going to be B-roll that incorporates some type of narrative element to it. These After Effects templates for reaction videos will hopefully cut your editing time in half, if not more. I'm talking about no more fiddling with masks and cropping effects. Just literally pick the segment that you want to react to, record your reaction, then slip both in, and I'm talking about within 2 seconds you'll have your video done. Our next pack is called the Realistic Camera Flash. Guys, nothing beats what I call realistic transitions. I'm literally talking about artificial transitions that mimic real transitions that could actually happen in real life. So let's contrast a non-realistic transition, like say an elastic zoom, with a realistic transition like a camera flash. I mean, it's all about what you're really going for, right? Unlike a non-realistic transition, a realistic transition, like a camera flash, is meant to blend in. It's meant to hide the cut. It's meant to hide the edit. Natural phenomena like camera flashes that occur in the real world make for perfect inspirations for these types of transitions, precisely because they conceal edits that aren't meant to be noticed. And guys, now finally we have the Modern Film Mats pack. I really pray that you like this pack as much as I do. These are just simple film mats, y'all. And a lot of them, like a ton of them, like way more than 100 of them. These basically serve as something that I call content enhancers. They frame the content. It gives your content a grittier, more stylized, and more intentional looking vibe. Buy all 3 of these packs for $49, which again is 58% off, or you can buy each pack individually for $39. Links are in the description. These will get you out of a couple crunches in the future at some point. Thanks, guys.